Okay, so today we have another Valvetronic exhaust, this time for the MK5 Supra, and it's going on with a Active AutoWorks catted downpipe.
This is a stainless steel setup, so we didn't go titanium on this one.
Sweet. Now for why everyone's watching. Everything is out of the box. We have the valved muffler, which makes Valvetronic so special.
Got a little bit of swag.
Got some gear?
Yeah.
No way. Well, that's cool. So we're gonna let the stock exhaust cool off and we'll get this on. Okay, we've got everything up under the car. Now we are working on the valves.
I already have the controller tucked away and hidden. And then now, so what I did, get this plugged in and I'll kind of give you a little recap. To get to this point, Valvetronic sends a controller. I pulled some of the trim off up in the trunk area. On this right hand side there's a fuse box where I can get key power from. So I tucked the controller up in there. I ran the vacuum line behind the trim panel, and then there was a grommet that was pre-existing, so I just popped a hole in the grommet, ran the vacuum line down here. I will attach my T-pieces out to the sides and then tuck this up behind this heat shield so you'll never see it. You won't know that it's there.
So with this system you don't use factory valves?
Correct. They send their own.
Gotcha.
So it's entirely different. So they're similar to my M5 in a way. They're pneumatic powered for whatever reason. They're electronic stock and it only has one. This one has two, and they switch it over to pneumatic.
Gotcha.
So, not really sure the rhyme and reason for that. Because like the F82s and F80s that we did, they use the electronic ones. Oh, we're gonna find out.
Yeah. Okay, everything's on. We have the remote, so you can switch and do the valves, open, close.
It comes with two.
Oh, cool. Nice. That is so much louder.
Significantly.
And it's quiet again. That's crazy. Like, to me, this is super comparable to stock.
Yeah.
Like, when it idles down, it's quiet.
Yeah. That's really nice. Yeah.
That's amazing.
I'm really glad I went with this on mine.
Yeah.
I like to be rowdy just like the next guy, but if I roll it into the neighborhood at, 10 o'clock, it's nice to just shut it off.
Yeah. Not wake up the neighbors.
Yeah.
All right, so we will pull this thing outside and get some driving sound clips.